In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Google Chrome browser on Ubuntu Linux. So let's get started. For this, just search for Google Chrome in Firefox and we'll be having the official link. Select it, and here we are having the download Chrome option. Select it. Here we are having Google Chrome for different Linux distros. If you are using Fedora Debian, you can select this. We are going to go with the Ubuntu one for this. So just check on this first one and come down and select accept and install. The download will be getting started. It is around 134 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just double click and open it. It will redirect you to the App Center. Just click on install and click on install and just enter your Ubuntu password. It says installed now. Here we are having the show apps. Click it and just search for Google Chrome. Just select it, and that's it. We'll be getting the Google Chrome browser. If you want to set it as a default, you can click this, or else you can close it and simply start using it. And if you want to pin it to dock, you can simply click on this. It will be over here. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.